Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to compare different cryptocurrencies on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the market, portfolio, we have the search, explore, and more options. Also here in the top right corner, you have everything about your profile. So here, when you click on here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and compare different cryptocurrencies on CoinGecko. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, visit the CoinGecko website or go into the application. Navigate to the compare tool. On the homepage, look for the compare option. In the menu, or directly visit the page. Select cryptocurrencies, so you need to go see two drop-down menus where you can select the cryptocurrencies you want to compare. Choose the first cryptocurrency in the first drop-down and second on the second drop-down. Then view comparison. Once selected, CoinGecko will display a comparison of various metrics such as market cap, the price, volume, circulating supply, and price change. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.